everyone, welcome to Vishwablooms. So in this video we'll be looking on topic Surds. So shall we begin? Yeah. So let's start.
So, today we will discuss how to convert search into rationalizing factor. Here are few important things we should remember while solving few examples. Now, here as you can see here, a plus root b which converts into a minus root b. Okay, I'll show you. So, a plus root b will convert into a minus root b. And n root a will convert into n root a n power n minus 1. You may think how this can come, right? Now I will show how we can calculate it. Now we will calculate it. First a power 1 by n minus a power n minus 1 and n. Now you may think how it came. I just took the numerator as a power by 1 and from here the numerator to the denominator. This is the power, but I am writing big because it will be the clear for you. Okay. Now a 1 plus n minus 1 by n. Now here you can just cancel plus 1 and minus 1. Okay. Now a n by n, which will be a is a belongs to q. Okay. Now in this way we got the rationalizing factor. Now this explanation is also done. Okay. Now root a plus root b is nothing but root a minus root b. Now suppose if they give root a minus root b, then you should write root a plus root b. Okay. Now here are the most important ones. Now we will look here. Okay. This is power. Okay. I'm writing it big. It's cube. Okay. Cube root of a plus cube root of b is nothing but this is the rationalizing factor actually. Okay. I don't have the space, so I wrote it down. Cube root of a square minus cube root of a, cube root of b and plus and cube root of b square. Here it's multiplication. In the same way we have minus, but here it will be plus. Okay. Yeah. So cube root of root a minus cube root of b is nothing but cube root of a square plus cube root of a and cube root of b. Here also multiplication. Don't worry, okay? You feel it will be tough, but with the example, it will be as simple as possible. And these two are the main examples. Main rationalizing search which we use more frequently and the most important ones. Okay. Now you might think why we are rationalizing. Am I right? Now let's look at that. Now here we will see the reason why we do rationalizing. It's nothing but to make our calculation easy, but generally searches are irrational as a definition. Okay. Now here I drew the flow chart. You can see searches are irrational. We rationalize them using RF table. RF is nothing but rationalizing table. Okay. I think you got it why we do rationalizing. And now we will see the examples which will be more interesting to us. Okay. Root 3. Root 3, as you know, this is a simple example. Root 3 into root 3 is nothing but 3. Okay. And cube root of 4 is nothing. As you know, root 4 which can be expressed in the sense which can be rationalized directly, which is root 2. So you can write cube root of 2, or else by using the RF table also we can do this question. So we get 6 as the answer. Okay. Now, here I wrote the property which we use here. In the sense, it's not a property, it's a conversion. So, we use n by nth power a is equals to nth power a n minus 1. So, here 3 is n and 4 is a. Okay. Now, 3 n is again 3, right? So, 3 minus 1 cube root of root 4 square. Now, as I mentioned here, we can rationalize root 4 as root 2. Okay. So, square and root will cancel, and now it will become into a multiplication. Then we will get the answer as 6. Now we will see the one more interesting example from our important factorizing, in the sense rationalizing factor. Okay. Now here you can see this is cube. Okay, I don't think it's a separate 3, but for your understanding I wrote it. Cube root of 3 minus cube root of 2. By using minus, as we know, I wrote here the factor RF. Now just applying this RF in the values. Now you may get little bit confused, but this is A. Okay, I'll mention with different color. So this is A and this is B. Ayo. Yeah, this is A and B. Okay. 3 cube root of 3 minus cube root of 2. Okay. Now I just applied in, as you can see here, the value. Now what you should do, cube root of 3 power 2 plus cube root of 3 cube root of 2 plus cube root of 2. Okay. Now I wrote for your understanding that is cube 3. Okay. And this is the root 3 for your understanding. We should not square it. Means here we mentioned the square, right? So you should not do like 3 square and root 3 square. So I mentioned it for you. Now the next step we come. So here it will be cube root of root 9 plus I wrote the same values, then cube root of 4. Okay. Now don't do anything here. In the sense, now we will take 3 as common in the next step. I wrote here clear steps also. Cube root of 9 plus cube root of 6 plus cube root of 4. Now how you got 6 you may think, right? So I wrote down steps. I took cube as common, then 3 into 2, which is nothing but cube root of 6. So we got the answer in a very simple way by using the RF. Okay. I think you understood. If in place of minus you have plus also, I will discuss. Okay. Now with the same example, we are going to discuss one more important property which is slightly similar, where we should, here in the previous problem, as here we saw we used plus. Okay. Now here we should use minus. That is the change, a small change. Now I'll explain this for you all again. Now cube root of 3 plus cube root of 2, with using the RF we will solve, and cube root of 3 square cube root of 3 cube root of 2 plus cube root of 2 square. Okay. Now here the cube root of 3 is 9, right? And as we multiply here we will get 6 again, and here cube root of 4, which can be written, wait a minute, yeah, 4 as root 2 is there. Okay. Now we can write cube root of 9 minus cube root of 6 plus cube root of 4 by using the RF. I think with this you got a clear understanding about this Surds, which we convert into rationalizing factor. So do like, share and subscribe to Vishwablooms, and keep supporting, share our videos, watch techno videos. Bye.